What's up, guys? We're the Kents.
Welcome back.
Or if it's your first time, welcome to our channel. Hit the subscribe button while you're here.
My love for you is constantly forever and ever on repeat, and it won't stop. Every day, I can't wait to take my breath away from me.
What's up, guys? We're the Kents, and welcome back.
Or if it's your very first time, welcome to our channel, guys.
Hit the subscribe button while you're here.
And make sure you follow us on all of our social media handles that we place. But
it is Saturday, guys, June. I think it's the 22nd. We are currently on our way to go meet May in Denver for dinner. You know, we always gonna eat.
you know, that's what we do, guys. We eat out. We find good places to eat in Pittsburgh. That's what we do.
But I've had so many things to do this weekend, and yesterday it just did not pan out, and neither did today. So I don't know. There is a couple stores I want to stop in though, because I want to do a couple revamps around the house. So I want to look at home goods and at home, and we'll see if we make it. But let me get out of here for May make it to bitchin'. So we'll see y'all when we get to the restaurant or somewhere.
What's the matter? What's wrong? What's wrong? This is the Denver show.
Alright guys, so we are at, where we at? Patron. And look at him, y'all. He done spilled salsa all.
I was trying to box the salsa up in a whole container, just collapsed and exploded everywhere.
So now, we gotta go home. Because he's a dirtball. Denver's in here going crazy. He's a dirtball. I wanted to go to Home Goods and at home, and now I gotta go home. So I'll see if I can find him a t-shirt. We'll be right back. Oh shit.
Always want to be so gay. So gay.
Did you go to at home like this?
I'm a half out. Well, it don't matter.
Y'all, he got his titties out. We going to at home.
Got my titties out because I don't know how it happened. I was putting a lid on it and it wasn't snapping, so I must have pressed too hard and it just, you know, sometimes I don't know my own strength because I'm so strong. I'm such a man.
It just missed
I'm
me
a
off. If
strong
that would have
man.
got on me, I would have freaked out. we definitely would have had to go home. It's so hot.
So actually, the tank top ain't that bad. I just wish it was a size bigger. I wasn't expecting it for it to be exposed, so it ain't that big.
Alright guys, so I'm actually looking for some new lamps for our bedroom, but yeah, I do like that. It matches our bedroom set, but I don't like the gold. When you think about at-home lamps, you gotta buy the shade, you gotta buy the thing to put the shade on. But I do not hate that. What shade would you get?
Black.
Let me look over here. There's some more over here too.
With the spa system.
Yeah, I didn't find nothing in either one of these stores. I don't even really know what I'm looking for.
The spa system.
That's bad. I do want a candle though. Yeah, this candle smell so good. Is I might get this. All right, guys, we have made it home from dinner. Where we go? Patron.
We went to go eat with Denver and May. You know, we had to go spend time with our baby. We just love hanging out with her.
We gonna end up in the chairs.
She's so crazy.
Yeah, she's crazy as hell. We gonna end up in the chairs because we're sliding down.
And I kept looking at her.
But yeah, y'all, we just got home. We just want to come and say we got home. I went in Home Goods and at home. I ain't really wasn't looking for nothing.
Yeah, they ain't got nothing yet. They ain't have nothing.
No, but I just got from Home Goods, y'all. Y'all see me look at this candle. This candle.
This candle is really good.
It smells so good.
So we're probably gonna put that in the bedroom.
Matches my bedroom.
My bedroom's black, so but it smells really good. So
we got
we decided to buy this candle, child.
What is this?
It's $17.
So we got some
It smells very fresh.
Some sponges.
Yeah, some new loops.
And then I was in at home, and then I had to get these, y'all. These, they are electronic wipes, but I use these to clean my televisions. I'm just gonna sit down. All right. I use these to clean. We just gonna go with it. I use these to clean the television. And we just got some like laundry stuff. We use Tab, but I do like the Arm & Hammer beads and some Snuggle.
Yes, gotta have a Snuggle.
And then I bought this. This is refillable hand soap, foaming soap, so I can refill my hand soaps. And got some toothpaste.
Yep, some Optic White Advanced. This is actually our favorite. We only use this toothpaste, so.
And, you know, I'm done with this. Some body wash. We went and got some liquor.
Just the basic
Yeah,
other stuff.
remember that.
You don't need to see it. It's like toilet paper, paper towels. And
We've been
cups and
home for
stuff,
a while. We're like 3 shots of tequila in, but we did go get some of this.
Yeah, it's El Mayor. You've seen us drink that tequila before.
We was supposed to play Never Have I Ever. I don't know if that's going to happen.
Because KENTFOLK is lazy.
Yeah, I wanted to record another video, but I just want to chill out, I think. I don't know. That TV is still sitting in the living room. I'm supposed to do that with y'all today.
Yes, I need to go get my shirt out the washer. Because I had to wash, as you see, I had to wash my shirt. I'm out. And come about my clothes at the restaurant. I still don't know how that happened,
but it's already midnight, so I don't
Right
know. Yeah, so if we do anything else tonight, we'll pick up the camera. If not, oh, why you blurry?
Focus on yourself.
If not,
You should be focusing on me, darling.
All right,
Focus on me!
If we do anything else, we'll pick up the camera. If not, we'll see y'all in the morning.
Yeah, I might get up and cook breakfast. Who knows? We'll see how I feel.
Ciao. Good night, y'all.
Don't hold your breath. Oh, hey, KENTFOK. What's up? Happy Sunday. Good morning. It is about 10 a.m. on a Sunday. And I'm about to hook up some breakfast because we are starving, darling, and we're not going anywhere. I don't feel like going anywhere, so I'm going to make a quick little breakfast for us. I'm gonna have me a little mimosa. Have me a little mimosa while I'm making breakfast. Now, we ain't really got no champagne, but we ain't gonna tell nobody. This is the ghetto gourmet. We do what we want. Okay? Judge your mama, don't judge me. The breakfast about to sop it up. But yeah, y'all. It is Sunday. Our whole weekend, we did absolutely nothing at all. We were supposed to go to the car wash. It's actually starting to rain now, so we were going to try to go to the car wash later, but there's no point in doing that now because it's raining. I mean, even though we do got a garage, but child. We were supposed to go to Sandcastle yesterday, but May canceled on us. She said it was too hot to be out there at that water park walking around, which it was. It's very hot. And we have AC in our house, so we're not actually even used to the elements. So it's really rough going out into this world where you stuck in the house because we work from home most of the time. And, you know, we just be sitting here in our robes all day. Comfy, fluffy robes. But I guess I'm about to put this bacon in, y'all. I'm just going to make all this bacon because we could snack on this throughout the week. Because I work from home tomorrow, so I'll need breakfast tomorrow too. Because we ain't going to eat all this. I'm going to also make some sausage too. But, yeah, I'm about to put on Mayor of Kingstown. The new episode dropped today. Do y'all watch that? Because if y'all don't watch Mayor of Kingstown on Paramount Plus, you need to go tune in. Because you're missing out. Like, the show is lit. Jeremy Renner. That is my boo. Oh, he gets the job done. So I'm about to just put that on and vibe out, finish up this breakfast, get my peppers and onions made for my potatoes, get started on these waffles, child, because KENTFOK want waffles. Side note, I'm not really a waffle person, waffle pancake person. Like, I'll eat them, which I'll probably have some today, but I'm more of a savory breakfast person. Like, give me an omelet, give me some potatoes, give me all of the things. Like, I don't need pancakes and shit. But we are going to have some, so. But guys, I'm just rambling y'all ears off, so let me get back to cooking. breakfast is done. We about to indulge. As you see, I made them regular waffles. I got strawberry waffles.
You ate the strawberries.
Cheese eggs.
Oh, you made put strawberries in there.
Home fries, bacon, and sausage. Time to get these backs activated.
Thank you for breakfast.
You are welcome, darling.
We need to plan this trip.
Man, that's why I keep trying to film this stuff. I'm trying to get into that Dorkmator shit. I don't know. What was you watching, Gina Janine?
Yeah, she on a cruise. She said I did. She don't like it.
She don't like it.
Tina was like she did. They just feel stir crazy. Like doing that fucking shit.
Yeah, like, I think cruises is for like old people.
You don't know if we're the cruiser types. But I want Royalton did look lit or whatever, but I think I want to try that. But I found a new secret I just opened in July. It's open on. But yeah, I gotta show it to you. But I do think I want to do secrets because it's given 5-star and that's what it's giving. 5-star.
Well, I feel like after all the ones we saw, my top contenders is Secrets. That Hideaway, I keep going back and forth because I really feel like
I mean, it looks fun.
it looks funny, and I feel like I'm looking at it like that little pool, the little Hideaway pool is the only little pool we got that's all the dog. And I'm just looking at it like, but I feel like it's lit. It got the water park over there, like. But the other first Secrets, I really like that one too. All right, y'all. We are on our way.
That's where we going, y'all.
We are on our way to spin class. We're back in the gym again for the about 10th time. But you know, we're gonna just keep trying. I think I can. Okay. Eventually, one of these times, it's gonna stick, and we will drop some pounds.
It has to because we get ready to book our trip in the next couple
Exactly.
I don't know what happened yesterday after breakfast, y'all. It was so good. We just crashed out
Went
and
to
laid
sleep.
around all day.
We got that itis.
Yeah, we're going to Dawn's class.
Yes, we're gonna see Dawn and go to her spin class so she could kick our ass real quick.
You know, we running late per usual. And then, I don't know. I do need to. I'm gonna put the TV up, y'all. I'm gonna get this TV out of this box because we need to make sure it works. And yeah, we'll see y'all when we get to the gym, I guess.
To the spin studio.
Y'all, I don't know why we can't never be on time for anything. But fun fact, this is the gym where I actually started my spinning career, which is non-existent at this point, but we working our way back. And it's super bright out here, so we'll see y'all. No, not here. But we coming back. Oh God. It's Dawn, everybody.
I wasn't ready, Kent. Hi,
She ready. She get ready to kill everybody in here.
No, I'm not.
So we ready.
We don't do that here. It's fun. Big fun. Last week's ride in conjunction with some new stuff. So, all right.
My butt's already hurting. I'm already out of breath.
You think you gonna make it?
I'm gonna pass. I just want to apologize already. Please, if I mess you up, I'm sorry. Dawn picked my seat.
I'll keep me going.
Dawn picked my seat. That's her fault.
think it's real gangster.
So how'd you feel about your first class back in months?
It wasn't that bad. I didn't do as bad as I thought I was going to do.
Did you miss it? Miss it? No, you did it.
I miss doing something.
Follow them.
Please.
They're superstars.
We tried.
Look who it is, y'all. So y'all see that? Look at KENTFOLK.
We'll have the 2 free. But if
The
you
YMCA
decide to
TV.
join, then you can come every day. Multiple times a day.
Alright guys, we have made it home from the gym and the car wash, and we went and got dinner. I'm tired as hell. How you feeling?
Exhausted. Ready to lay on down, shower, and lay down and eat.
Let me show you what we got for dinner. We went and got sushi. This isn't our usual sushi place, so I'm gonna try this. I got shrimp tempura and California rolls, and we got from Everyday Noodle dumplings, and I don't know what this is. What is this?
Those are pork soup dumplings, and then those are shrimp and vegetable pot stickers. In my mind, pot stickers look different than that.
Yeah, but we'll see what they're tasting like. Y'all, this TV is still sitting over here in the living room. You want me to take it upstairs? I need to make sure it works.
Yeah, we got to take it upstairs.
All right, y'all. I'll see y'all when we get upstairs. He's getting on my nerves. All right, guys. We have made it upstairs with the TV. However, this TV is bigger than the one we had in here before, so I don't know if it's going to fit on the stand we got up here. See it? I don't know. So we shall see.
We shall see.
I'm gonna need you to help me take this off the box. Anyway, we should not be having a cocktail after the gym, but it was a rough day. It's Monday.
I need it. My legs hurt.
All right, so let me try to get this together to see if this is even going to fit. So, be right back.
TV. It don't fit. It don't fit. Because we got a new TV for the sitting room, but it don't fit.
Oh, it's too big?
Yeah.
That's right.
Well, they had a 65 inch on sale for like $300 or some dollars.
How big is it?
65 inches.
Oh, that's fire.
Y'all, it do not fit.
How big is the TV that's downstairs?
The same.
65 inches. The one downstairs is.
Alright guys, I am upset. As you can see, the TV did not fit, so I don't know if I want to get it put on the wall. I don't know if I want to put any more holes in the wall.
Yeah, we'll probably end up mounting it. That makes the most sense.
I'm gonna look on IKEA and see what type of TV stands they got. We'll check that first, because I don't
All
know.
we need is a bracket.
True, but who won't put it up?
We can find some bad.
But yeah, y'all, we just we just came to close this one out. So if you made it this far, make sure you like,
Comment,
share,
and subscribe.
hit the notification bell, put it on all notifications.
And follow us on all of our social media handles that we place below.
Alright guys, we'll see you in the next one.
Tell them from what they should do what?
Period.
What should they do, friend? They should subscribe.
They better like, share, comment, and subscribe.
And that's Brittany, everybody.
Period.
And follow other pages too.
Period. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.